This is a small tutorial how to publish your environments on Sidequest. First, you have to prepare a video and a thumbnail. In order to record the video in 720p, connect your Quest to your PC and open the environment converter. Press on the 720p button. Now you can record a video from your Quest. To hide the menu as best as possible, look up and press the Reset Position button. Or you lie on the floor and press here Reset Position. Make sure that you turn around completely at least once and look up and down once so that everything is visible in the video. When you are done, connect your Quest to your PC again and press the Save Last Quest Video button. For extra polish, cut the beginning and the end of the video in a video editing tool. In my case, I'm gonna use Adobe Media Encoder. Now create the thumbnail. Open your environment in Blender. Select all of your environment geometry and press Ctrl+C to save it to the copy buffer. Open now the thumbnail Blender file from the Quest Homes repository template folder. You can find it in GitHub, Quest Homes, Home Environments, Tree, Main, 0 Templates, Publishing. Press Ctrl+V to paste in your environment geometry. Press 0 to switch to the camera view. Place your camera for a good viewing angle and position. If you don't use materials with alpha or if they aren't visible in the camera view, select the solid viewport shading with flat texture shading. If you are using alpha, use the material preview and set all materials to 0 metallic and specular and 1 for the roughness. Now disable all the overlays. Click on View and then on Viewport Render Image. Save the image with Image, Save As or press Shift-Alt-S. Next step is to add a prefix to your environment APKs. Add com.oculus.environment.prod as a prefix. Upload the environment APK files now to a hoster which gives you direct download links. GitHub works very well, and with the GitHub desktop app you can upload environments up to 100 MB. In the browser you are limited to 25 MB. Upload your video now to YouTube or Vimeo. We choose Vimeo since YouTube has a very aggressive copyright system and will block your video if you use any known sounds. Open the Quest Homes Publishing template folder, link in the comment. Open now the Sidequest submission template text file. Click on Raw and copy all the text. Paste it now into a text editor. In my case, I'm gonna use Notepad. Replace now on the title the replace env name with your environment title. Do the same for the package name, but keep the writing as it is in your file name. Now you have to replace all the download links. In my case, I can use the replace function in Notepad or Notepad++ to change all links at once. Let's open up Sidequest. Click on your profile, Things I created, and click on Create an app. Copy now the app title from the submission template. Do the same for the package name. You can put what you like in the summary. Just make sure it is at least 65 letters long. Now press on Save App. On the listing info, paste now the description. In order to make your environment visible in the environment category, use the search tag Custom Home. Now add tags that describe your environment. In my case, I'm gonna add Peach, Castle, and Mario 64. On top of the page, add a banner. You can use the provided Sidequest banner JPEG in the template repository or create your own. Make sure it has a resolution of 2048 x 512 pixels. Now switch the tab to Artwork and Media. Click on Edit Image and select your thumbnail. Next, you want to copy the link from your video and paste it into the YouTube or Vimeo URL field. Switch to Manage Listing and set the Custom Home toggle to On. Click on Save App now. Now click on View Listing to preview the page. Make sure your links are working. Click again on Manage and press on Send for approval. This could take about a day. When your environment is approved, it will show up on the right side under Ready to Release. Open it, click on Manage and press Publish Now. Now your environment is live on Sidequest. It can take a while until it is listed in the category Custom Homes.